Hi everyone, welcome to the video walkthrough of WanderBuddy. We are a team of AI enthusiasts and travel lovers, and we have created this app to make vacation planning easier and more efficient. In this video, I'll walk you through how WanderBuddy leverages AI to help travelers find the best flights, hotels, and activities while saving time and money. Let's dive in. We are a team of two, Dinesh and myself Nishant, the tech and product duo, and we've known each other for almost 10 years now. Over this period, we have tried to solve multiple customer problems using tech, and we are now in the path of exploring the advancements in AI. So, why do we need WanderBuddy in the first place? Only 29% of travelers can successfully book their vacations entirely on their own. On the other hand, there has been a 48% increase in outbound travelers from India alone last year. Also, it is a very tedious process when it comes to comparing features, prices, availability. All these put together, it has become a very big frustration, and the customers have to rely on travel agents, limiting their options and control over the itinerary. So, what approach have we taken? We are now introducing WanderBuddy. WanderBuddy is an AI travel assistant designed to enhance the travel booking experience by simplifying the process and at the same time providing real time data. Customers need not have to schedule an appointment or book their calendars to plan a vacation anymore. Vacations can be planned on the go while just having a conversation with WanderBuddy. By leveraging AI and real time data, WanderBuddy can be helpful to discover and book flights, hotels, and activities seamlessly. How is WanderBuddy not just any other travel assistant but a technically sound one too? WanderBuddy accepts natural language queries. At the same time, it dynamically determines whether or not to hit live APIs or generate and execute dynamic AQL queries for graph traversal. It executes network X queries for analytics, and it also includes hybrid querying. Now, coming to the implementation part. Initially, we thought of using the existing flight datasets, but the main drawback was real time data was necessary for travel planning. So, we moved on to using external APIs for live data, which includes flights, hotels, and activities. WanderBuddy starts a conversation with the customer to understand their travel plans. Once all the necessary input is obtained, it takes a decision whether to hit the live API or run AQL. ArangoDB is used for data management in this case. Data is stored in graphs and which can be used for easier access and retrieval. In this case, we define the nodes and edges. Nodes are usually cities, hotels, and attractions, and edges are the flight details, which includes pricing as well. The weights are determined by the price of the flight routes. Here you can see how the graph is visualized. The blue dots are the cities, red dots are the hotels, green dots are the attractions, and as you can see, they are connected to each other using the edges. So, once all this information is put in the form of graph, the WanderBuddy determines whether to hit the API or run AQL. If the data is available in the DB, it runs the AQL. If not, it hits the API and loads the database. Once it has enough information, it then gives out the response, which is the entire itinerary for the user. And again, user and WanderBuddy can have conversation to get this better. Let me give you a glimpse of how it actually works. In this case, let's say I'm the user and I would like to travel to Dubai from Chennai from between June 17th and June 21st with 2 adults and 1 child. I'm asking for the details. WanderBuddy hits the API and fetches this. The database is loaded and graph is visualized. Now moving on to hybrid queries. In this case, I'm giving the prompt as I'm going to Chennai from Dubai between 17th June and 21st June, and the number of packs is 2 adults and 1 child. And I'm also asking WanderBuddy to find flights and hotels and attractions. Let me run the query. And it's running, and as you can see, AQL query is run in this case as the data is already available. Now it has fetched flights, hotels and attractions, and once it is done, we will get the final itinerary. Yeah, this is the final itinerary here, which has flights, hotels, and unfortunately there are no attractions as of now. Now in the second case, I'm changing the dates from 18 June to 22nd June. Let's see what happens. In this case, as you can see, AQL query result is blank, which means in this case API is hit instead of AQL, and using API the results are fetched and the itinerary is created. This has the updated flight, and now this flight is then loaded. We have also visualized the shortest flight between cities. Okay, now that we have watched the working demo, what next? How can WanderBuddy become a better assistant? Later on, queue graphs can be implemented to fetch the results faster without increasing load on the server, and WanderBuddy can also suggest suitable months for certain destinations based on seasons, attractions and so on. Let's say for example, if a customer is looking for Netherlands in January, then WanderBuddy can actually suggest them that it is not the right time to visit Netherlands because of fog, shorter daylight hours and so on. Hope you liked that video. Please do share your feedback in the comments and follow us for more related content. Thank you.